Today we got a light leg day. Get warmed up, we're gonna have some fun. Let's go. One thing I like doing is walking backwards on a treadmill, right? It gets the quads warmed up, glutes, hamstrings, gets a lot of blood in the knees, so which is great for the joints. Feels good. I do this for about 2 minutes or so, and then we're going into it. So I'm really not as athletic as I like to be. So we're gonna change that by doing pogo hops, small things here and there, and yeah. So this year my goal is to work on my front squat. So we're doing some zombie squats, help with that thoracic extension, that posture, that stability. So I can back squat a good amount. But this is my weakness. The goal is to really get this up there in the high 300s, 400s. And injuries are really lessons and blessings in disguise. So take those lessons, training better, tweaking things, because injuries expose your weakness. So right now we're gonna work with these zombie squats and you know, let's have some fun. There we go. Oh yeah. All that adductor work's been paying off, which is great. I've been doing a lot of Copenhagen planks, a lot of stuff for core stability, because, you know, most imbalances, but yeah, we're getting back into it. Let's add some more weight. Man, really training is a process, it's a journey, right? Especially when you've been doing it for a long time. You have injuries, you have good weeks, bad weeks, good months, bad months, right? Especially like me, I'm a husband, my father, run a business, so I'm trying to balance all these different things. So you gotta come in here with a plan, right? You can't just come in here willy-nilly, gotta be structured, organized. Be consistent, man. Don't be too hard on yourself. Like even now, I didn't want to make this video, so I was like, man, I feel really weak right now. But I want to show you the process, right? I want to show you the journey. So I'm gonna get there, have no doubt. Been strong before, been weak, saw ups and downs sometimes. But right now, y'all see me at a low point, and it's about to come back up. So, especially for legs. Back, chest, feels good, but legs, not where I want to be right now, but it's okay. Hack squats. With hack squats today, I'm going wide. Your foot placement determines what muscles are emphasized, right? For me, my weakness is my adductors. My quads are actually pretty strong, right? And my adductors are my weak part. So I'm gonna go wide, my feet turned out. All right, here we go. All right, let's unlock in for a bit. those hack squats took me out for a second, but now we're about to do a front lunge with a barbell. So I like front lunges because works on the anterior chain more. So abs, groin muscles, stability in the hip. So that's why I like doing that sometimes compared to reverse lunge. So I'll do reverse lunges my other leg day. I'll do front lunges on this leg day. All right, last thing we got is kickstand RDLs. All right, we got started kind of late, so this is gonna be a fast workout because we got boxing right after this in like 4 minutes. So here we go. Enough time for about 2 sets. All right. Load that hip, come up, boom. Then burger set. Better bought a boat. I'm about to hop in right now. Well, never mind, we got a little bit more time. That's my coach. He wants to eat some food, as he should, because I got him on a meal plan, so you better be sticking to it. And then when we get after it. Cool thing is, it's like coaches coaching coaches, right? He trains me in boxing. I train him in strength and conditioning. So iron sharpens iron, man. My leg's on fire right now. Jesus. The tricky part about these is find the balance over your feet, all right? So with that foot right under your hip, gauge the hips, come up, good. Good. Load your hamstrings and your hips, not your back. Hop this forward and come down, good. Extend at the hips. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. The reason your back hurts, fellas, because you're always training your lower back, whatever your hips. So you like mobility in your hips, which means your back has to take over, means your back muscles are always tight. Shit. One more set, can't even talk right now. One more set, we'll be done. All right, we got some intro workout, rehydrate, put on the wraps, boxing gloves, and have some fun with that. That's how we got people. That was a very effective leg day, right? Targeted those weak muscles, adductors, a little bit of quads here and there, but it's very focused, more so hips. All right. All right. So, I'm gassed. I feel good. I feel looser. I feel better than when I started. When I started, I was a little tight. I was a little nervous, but I just feel better than when I started. If you train right, you should feel better as the workout goes on. All right. All right, rehydrate, boxing time. Just finished boxing. Didn't have time to record, but it got done. As you see the wraps. I'll record more of that later. Today was technique stuff, getting details down, so it's a good way to end with some cardio. Yeah. Keep following for more. I'll post my boxing stuff and other stuff on my IG, at David Griffin on IG. But if y'all enjoyed this, like this, let me know. Just getting started, more to come. But you know, go just have fun with content, see where it goes. Peace.